My friends and I are playing Knights.
La 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 la! I'm Knight Annie. I'm Knight June.
And I'm Knight Quincy. We're brave knights who protect kings and queens and castles.
Huh?
Hark! I hear music. It sounds like a trumpet.
Do you see the trumpet? Oh, yeah, here's the trumpet.
Pumbaa? How can a rock be proud? It's a rock.
Well, I think it's because a pride is what they call a group of lions.
Oh, sure, the lions get Pride Rock. And what about us meerkats? Where I come from, we didn't have nothing to be proud of. Why, when I was a young meerkat...
When he was a young meerkat!
Very nice.
Thanks.
But maybe it'd be safer if I just show him where I came from.
Oh, boy, do we get to see where you grew up?
Yeah, Pumbaa, but it ain't pretty.
It's a knight's trumpet.
See if you can play it, Quincy. Incredible! Look at this.
Yeah, look at all these pictures.
The trumpet has a story to tell.
Do you want to hear the story? Great!